Hi, welcome to Axel Learning's Smart Math Challenge series. In this series, we will explore challenging math questions and see if we can beat the clock and get the answer in under 10 seconds. First, we will show you the problem of the day. Next, we will try to solve the problem using the standard method, also known as the boring method. Then, we will explore AI responses like ChatGPT and Google's Gemini to see how they can solve these questions. And lastly, we will try a smarter way to solve the problem without the use of a calculator or an AI. Stay tuned till the end to see how we can solve this problem and if we can do it in less than 10 seconds. So, here's the problem. C's age is 1.5 times the average age of A, B, and C. A's age is half the average age of the three. What was their average age 2 years ago if the present age of B is 10 years? A. 10 years, B. 8 years, C. 14 years, D. 7 years, E. 5 years. Let's see how most people solve this kind of problem, the boring method. Here's the same question. Pause the video now to see if you want to solve it first before we do. So, the boring method. Let the present average age of the three be x years. C's present age is 1.5x years. A's present age is 0.5x years. B's present age is 10 years. Therefore, average age equals 1.5x plus 0.5x plus 10 divided by 3 equals x. And x is equal to 10 years. C's present age equals 1.5 times 10 equals 15 years. A's present age equals 0.5 times 10 equals 5 years. C's age 2 years ago equals 15 minus 2 is 13 years. A's age 2 years ago equals 5 minus 2 is 3 years. B's age 2 years ago equals 10 minus 2 equals 8 years. Therefore, average age 2 years ago equals 13 plus 3 plus 8 divided by 3 equals 8 years. And the answer is letter B. The estimated time to arrive at the answer is 75 seconds. Now for the fun part, let's see if AI is smart enough to solve this correctly. We'll first start with ChatGPT and then we'll do the same with Google's Gemini. Here we are in ChatGPT. Let's paste the question and see. Remember, our answer was option B. Let's see how ChatGPT solves the problem. Alright, and ChatGPT was able to give us the correct answer, letter B, 8 years. That was convenient. Now let's try this in Google's Gemini. We'll paste the same question and see. Remember, our answer was option B. Let's see how Gemini solves the problem and if it can give us the correct answer faster than ChatGPT did. And it already did. It gave us the correct answer, letter B, 8 years, and that was a lot faster than ChatGPT. Now think about the times you don't have access to a calculator or an AI. So, as I had promised, let's see the fastest and smartest way to solve this question without the use of a calculator or an AI. Here's the same question. Pause the video now to see if you have a faster and smarter way to solve this question and beat the clock. So, here's the smart way. Since C's present age is 50% more than the average age and A's present age is 50% less than the average age, the average age of the 3 will be the same as the average age of C and A. Since 1.5x plus 0.5x divided by 2 equals x. Also, since B's age is equal to 10 years, the present age of all the 3 is 10 years. So, the average age of all the 3 2 years ago is 10 minus 2 equals 8 years. And the answer is letter B. And the estimated time to arrive at the answer is 10 seconds. Drop in a comment to share if you have an even better and faster way to solve this question. Like and subscribe to this channel for more such videos or visit us at www.axellearning.com. Thank you and stay tuned for the next one.